Well, when I make music, I feel free. It is like driving or flying it. So when they came to me about this project, I was like, wow, this is a great opportunity to kind of use a new instrument to be able to transcribe, the emotion and the composition into this racetrack with this new car.
When the composer will finish the music, our engineer will transform the racing track into a life-size music score. What we have done is that we have taken multiple color laser sensors, we have mounted them under the car, and then when the car is driving on the road, laser sensors detect the music note and play the sound.
For us, the challenge was to create a beautiful score with notes arranged in a way that only the Peugeot 508 could play. To reinforce the performance, an orchestra accompanied Ryopi's piano. A drone above the car allowed the orchestra to play its parts synchronized with him. We took the performance to a whole new level with the second car that plays the drums, by creating a dramatic climax with two different instruments.
Musician needs to be very precise, needs to reach perfection in terms of timing, and that's what the cockpit is about. And it helps Ryopi, I believe, to follow all the score and follow all the notes on the road.
This is the biggest physical live score ever written. It was a great adventure. It was pretty cool to play my own music and drive it physically